Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, hajime and my name is Hello. So today I have a very fun video planned. I want to show you guys how to do a full face of makeup in under $15. One thing that's always been really important to me with makeup is affordability, making sure that everyone has access to makeup products to use. So this is kind of just a video showing you maybe some cheap products that are still high quality that you'll be able to use. And yeah, so this video took a lot of planning. Obviously I had to go find costs for my makeup because I forget. And yeah, let's just get started. And a full face of makeup for me means some sort of base, contour, blush, highlight, all that, and then lips and eyeshadow. And I will not be including brushes for the cost, just the makeup products. So first I have this LA Colors I Heart makeup contour palette. I use this palette a lot, mostly for the powdered contour, but one thing that I don't use a lot is they have these brighteners, I guess you could call them, that are also powder. So I'm gonna be using those as kind of like a powdered concealer, like foundation almost, and put that on and then contour. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it. And this palette cost just under $4 at Walmart. I think it's sold out at Walmart right now, but that's what they have it listed as. Okay, now that I'm happy with my base, I'm going to be moving into the next product, which is this Color Festival palette from BH Cosmetics. I got this palette when it was on sale for $6. I'm not sure quite what it's selling for right now, but BH Cosmetics usually has big sales for holidays and stuff. So I would just wait around if you want this palette a little cheaper than what it probably is now. But why I chose this palette, because it might just kind of seem random, but what I really needed was a blush and colors to do the eye looks with. So I was gonna take this color Groove, this pinky one, and make that my blush color, and then also still have plenty of colors to use for an eye look. So I'm gonna use that Groove color for blush right now. Okay, I'm really happy with how that looked. Now I'm going to highlight, and back in this contour palette, this first shade up here is actually a highlight. So I'm gonna be using that. So that's everything with the base done. Now I'm gonna be moving into the eye look. Like I said, I'm not including brushes in the price for this, although there are some pretty cheap brush sets that you can find. I just wanted to talk about the products today. So I'm just gonna play around with this Color Festival palette. I think I'm first going to go in with the color Chic as a lid color. Okay, now I want to put the color Pop, which is this bright purple, on the lid. Okay, that color had zero pigment, so I'm going to go in with the color Sequins instead. Okay, now I really want to go in with this pretty teal color Electronic and put that all over the lid. Now going back with sequins to kind of blend that all in. Not quite sure how much I'm liking this look. It's kind of different than what I normally do, but you know, tight budget. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Banger and highlight my inner corner and brow bone with that. And now I'm going to repeat the same process on my other eye off camera, then I'll be right back for the next step. Okay, I like this look a lot more now that it's on both eyes, but we're not quite done with the eyes yet because we still have to put on mascara, which is very essential to every eye look of mine. And I actually have the LA Colors waterproof mascara. This might be one of the cheapest mascaras I've ever found and liked. It's $1.99. I got mine, I think, at like Dollar General one time or something. And yeah, now I have it. It's not super waterproof, like it'll come off like in the shower if you wash your face or something, but it's fine if like for sweat and yeah. So I like it, and I'm just gonna put this on real quick. Okay, now that mascara is on, we just have one final step, and that is the lips. Now, getting pretty close to our budget. I had about like $5 left for this lip product, and I decided to use this LA Colors lip color in the color Petal. This cost $2. I think I got this at like Dollar General one time too, and I actually really like it. I think it's the formula. I think it's just really nice and cheap, and it smells super good. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on. It's just kind of like a pinky nude. And this is the final look for today. Our final total comes to $13.87. Yeah, that is it. I want to say a quick thank you for the support on my last video, the makeup hacks. I really enjoyed filming that, and I would like to make that more of a series, but I don't want to have that be like all of my videos from now on. But thank you so much for the support on that, and thank you so much for watching this one. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Hit the bell if you want to get notifications for every time I upload. And that is it for today. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.